Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn VAT reports. How VAT reports can be seen in the Tally. Let's go to display from Gateway of Tally. This is the Gateway of Tally. Let's go to display. Here is a statutory reports. Okay, first is a VAT reports. This is a VAT computation. Okay, VAT reports. Here is a VAT form and VAT computations. Let's see VAT forms. Here is a VAT return forms and VAT annexure. VAT return forms. Let's see VAT return form. There are two form, VAT 100 and form VAT 100 and form VAT 15. This is for different. Okay, let's see what VAT form 100. Here, if you want to see in preview of a form, you have to select with view. No preview means no view, directly it will print. You want to see with preview, first it will show preview. Enter, now it's taking the preview. If you want to see with the zoom, alt set. This is the VAT form 100 form. See rules 38. General information is given. Our company TIN number is here. Okay, this is March 2009. Company name, address, tax invoice number 8 and date, invoice month 8 to 2008 to 2009. Its year, particular is here. Total turnover, export or import. Okay, this is total turnover, local sales, discounts, anything, consignment sales, anything, exempted sale, other sales. This is total turnover. Import exports is this much. Sales return and discounts, labor charges, this one 26,000. Any other deemed exports, exempted sale, any other, this one is here. Center sales tax is total 12,000. Taxable or any other thing is here. Okay, there is the output tax payable is 12,000. This much of. Okay, balance forward from previous month. This one TDS tax deducted source is nil. Okay, balance tax payable total 12,840 is a tax payable report. This is the tax payable form. Tax payment details is this one is the tax payment detail. This much of tax we have collected and we have to pay this one. This is the interest. This is the other one. This is total box from 51. This for CTC means bank use only. Signature of, okay, this is the signature and seal of LY and VSO. This is how form 100 for the tax payable. Okay, next tax, how much we have to pay? This much we have to payable. Okay, this is the amount, this is the information. VAT 115. Let's see with preview. All Z. This is 15 annual statement. Net tax, how much net tax we have to pay? This is also total this much of amount, 12,000. This is central sales tax collected. Central sales tax which we have to pay to the central government. Okay, this is the information. You can email this one also. Okay, here but you cannot email, you can just put email with the preview menu directly from there. You can email, not from here. Okay, otherwise from you have to see here, page down, page or in, zoom, mail. Here is the option of mail. You can do mail here. Your Tally has a lot of options. This is the VAT forms. How VAT forms can be checked. Now let's see with your CST VAT return forms. This is VAT annexure also. Annexure 1 means it's a detail. All Z. Annexure 1. This is the information. Annexure 2. All Z. This is the information. What is the C form? Look, C form means central sales tax is for India. This reports for India. Okay, C form means center, one state to another state. Actually 3 with the proof. Let's zoom it. This is the information of amount VAT to be paid, VAT to be collected. This is the information. Okay, let's go to VAT computation. Here is the amount, this much amount which we have to. Okay, this is a payable amount. 1st March to 31st. Let's see overall 2008 to now refundable. This much amount we have to collect in VAT. Okay, VAT computation. If Alt F2, if you want to see from start 1st April to next year 31st March according to Indian taxable law. Here we want to refund. We have to refund this much of amount, and after all the transaction, when we calculate, now we have to refund from government. Now let's see CST reports. CST reports, form receivable or form issuable. Let's see, receivable is a ledger. We have 2 other states employer. Okay, 2 other state sellers means sundry debtors. Here is the information. Select Toons animation. Here is the information. This is the information which is displayed. For example, see sales tax. This is the date 13 December. Voucher type sales, 2 vouchers, total value this much, CST amount this much, invoice amount this much, total. Form type C form type. You can see information ledger also here. If you select this, you can also select this one. This much we have. This is the form C. This much we have sales. First is a credit note. Credit note is receivable, received back. Okay. You can see form issuable. From there you can see the ledger. Enter. There is no ledger, that's why it won't showing anything. Okay. Okay. Now let's see, this is the CST reports. Okay, form issuable, CST, form issuable. Anything we have? We don't have anything. Group, we have banks, sundry debtors, syndicators, we don't have anything. Sundry debtors, we don't have anything. Cash in hand, bank, no, we don't have anything. Okay, let's get back. Now let's see TDS reports. Here in TDS report, return, e-return, outstanding, exception report, different types of reports are here. Okay, computation. Here is the computation, means information of TDS, how it is computed on 25,000 it is computed. Okay, challan reconciliation. This is a challan, we can check DD, bank name, this one, challan reconciliation. This is the return. There are different forms for returns. Okay, there are different form. 24 revise is enroll, 24 different forms. 16A print form, Mohan Bhagav. This is with print view. Let's see with the print view. If all zoom, this is the form for the Mohan Bhagav. This is a period. Information is given different. What are the amount, challenge, sorry, challan, this one it's given. Now let's see 26Q form. This is a 26Q form for TDS. This is the different form, but we don't have an actuary. This is form 27. This is the information. John is an accountant. Okay, so these are the forms which we can see in Tally ERP 9. Form 16A is also there. Okay, this is the forms. If you want the print, you can take the print. Okay, this is the form 27 annual form, that is quarterly. This is the annual form, annual TDS form. This is a quarterly TDS form 27. If you are paying quarterly, take quarterly. If you are paying annual, take annual. E-returns, E-TDS forms. This E-TDS form, electronic TDS form. This is John, accountant, Karnataka. Is change in address since last returns anything? No. This is a date, form 26, 31st March, regular. Upload type is regular. Is change in address tax since last returns? No. Okay, we don't have any PU also. So okay, this is the way. The 27 forms, we don't have any PU. Overall, like this only. Print from 27A. If you want to take print from 27A, this is a 27A print. Information. This is how ETDS will be paid. This ETDS forms. Okay. Then e-return. After e-return, any outstanding amount. TDS payable, anything we have to pay? No. Ledgers, all items? No. Nature of payments, anything, all items? No. Now exception report. Here in exception report, TDS not deducted. TDS not deducted means exception reports. Go to exception report. TDS migrate. Okay, track migrate voucher, migrate PAN not available, unknown deducted type. Let's see. Track masters also not available, PAN not available, unknown deductees not available. Okay, so we don't have some options here to check. Then come to the reports after CST and TDS. Now the last report is service tax report. And the service tax, select TR6 challan if it is possible, if it is there. Okay, service tax reports. Then if it is not, then select any other challan if it is provided. Let's see service tax payable. If we have any service tax, as 31st March we don't have any service tax. Input credit form, we don't have. No, nothing we have. So service tax 3 report, this is the report. Zoom it. This is a manufacturing number, SC number, service tax number, permission number. Okay, individual or property, this is the information of the service tax. Okay, if you have option, you can see this. Okay, input credit form, if you can see, this service tax payable is input credit form. Okay, then STST report, service tax payable report, any other thing. If you have, then you can see this one. This is the report in Tally ERP 9 about the VAT and statutory services reports.